All right, now we have a word problem that we're going to set up a proportion to make true. So the wait time to ride a roller coaster is 20 minutes when 160 people are in line. At this rate, how long is the wait when 220 people are in line? So when we have a word problem, we want to look at our units of measure, and we're going to set up a proportion so that our units of measure are in the same place for each ratio. So in this case, our units of measure are minutes and people. So we're going to set up a proportion. So we have minutes to people in one rate, and then the second rate has to be the same. Now, if you wanted to put people on top and minutes on bottom, that's fine, as long as you're consistent. So if you want to put people on top and minutes on bottom, then over here you'd also have to put people on top and minutes on bottom. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill in the rate that we know. So the wait time to ride a roller coaster is 20 minutes when 160 people are in line. So we know that it takes 20 minutes if there are 160 people in line. And we want to know how long is the wait when 220 people are in line. So we know that there are 220 people in line, which means that the 220 is going to go in the denominator. And since we don't know how many minutes, we'll use a variable. Now that we have our proportions set up, we will cross multiply and solve. So we're going to take our denominator times the opposite numerator, then take the second denominator times the first numerator. So 160 times x is 160x, and 220 times 20 is 4,400. Finally, we will solve by dividing by 160 on both sides, and we get x equals 27.5, and we always need a label, so we were looking for the number of minutes, so 27.5 minutes.